Oh, hello there. What am I doing? Oh, well, I'm just cruising through my purpose-built website for training. Oh yes, this is a massive sales video, so if you don't want to buy any of my online products, I wouldn't watch. Anywho, if you are so ever interested, here it is. So, this is the home page, and if you scroll down, you'll get a lovely little video just explaining all of the stuff that you need to know, if we can find the sound. There it is. Haha.
To end range training. I'm Tom Morrison, and I want to take you through some of the things that I've collected over the years that have given me the most eureka moment.
That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So anyway, that's the home page. From the home page, you can then go to the Getting Started section, which will explain many different types of training methods and how to increase things over time, and reps to build and stuff like that. How to train. Ooh, how to train. And little cool pictures there. It's very sexy. It's very sexy. And then different sections. So if you train 4 days a week, 3 days a week, or 2 days a week, how you can mix in the workouts, try the workouts yourself and do things, or just add it to your own training. So if you only wanted this like a supplementary training program, you can add it into whatever you're doing anyway. So just 2 days a week if you want. So you could only just do the warm-up section, the rings section, and the band to core and movement. So you don't actually have to do all of the exercises if you already do something like weightlifting or CrossFit or bodybuilding or something like that. So you can just add it into whatever you're doing. After that, you get your workout sections. So here, the workout sections are pretty class. So from here, this is the warm-up section, and it has all the exercises for the warm-up. And the warm-up is phenomenal because it's stuff that increases your joint mobility every session. So it's just gradual over time. So it's not a lot of reps, but if you do it consistently, so say you're doing the 4 days a week and you're doing that same warm-up 4 days a week, you're really going to be working on your shoulder mobility and your hip mobility and stuff like that there. So it's something that's little things that I do every session that I've put into this, and it's things that I give other people, and they're just all great exercises for muscle activation and gradually increasing range of motion while keeping the strength, which is the secret. It's the secret! Anywho, yes, you've got your step-by-step guides, so if you just click on that, that will give you your step-by-step guides. So can you see here? You have your step-by-step, and then there's all pictures and demonstrations and stuff to read. And that's this is actually something that I didn't put into the Simplistic Mobility Method because I wanted to keep it more simple, so it's just watch the videos, do the exercises. But with this, it's a little more complex, and there's a lot more stuff in it, and there's equipment and all stuff as well, so it's a lot more in-depth. So you will be spending a bit of time reading as well, but it definitely is worth doing that because it's really fancy and really sexy. Anywho, here we have our exercise videos as well. Let's see if we can find one. So you go here, you click on this wee box here, and it gives you your wee drop down menu that can then take you to your warm-ups. We'll show you the wrist one. This is the wrist section here. So you just click on the video and then it plays.
Every time you're doing a warm-up, you want to make sure that your wrists are involved. You have to look after the little guys. So what Nally's going to do is go into an all-fours position, and then you start to look.
Then you can. You can even play it on your TV. It connects to your TV, but I think that's just a feature of normal stuff. Anyway. Yes, there's also a fun version as well. So, so you can watch all the videos, try all the exercises. The warm-up you can even try at home. You don't need to be in the gym for the warm-up. Then you have your other workout sections, which are based pretty much the same as well. There's also workout trackers too. So every time you're training, boop. So you have your workout trackers, which have everything that you can do over the time. So you have like 6 sessions. So you can go through 6 sessions of all the exercises and increase in the way that you want to increase over time, and you'll then know your progress and know what you're doing. So it's really important to track stuff that you're doing training wise, so you can test yourself, so that you're not just doing your own pace every time you go into the gym if you want to build on stuff. Extra templates we have. I've put in a shoulder mobility template and a hip mobility template. So this is the shoulder template. So it's using the same exercises, and it shows you how to use those for you know, increasing your shoulder mobility or your hip mobility, depending on whatever you want to work on, or you could even do both as well. So you can just use it just fully for mobility if you want to. We also have goals, so long-term goals of things, end-range goals, end-range goals, things that you want to achieve over time as well. So that's them there, and I'll show you what they are. Secret, a sexy secret. Anyway, and yes, bonus content. So this is something that I really wanted to put in. So I put a few bonus bits into Simplistic Mobility Method, and I want to keep that as a theme with anything I release. So the bonus content at the end of this has 3 mini webinars of how to use the gymnastic rings, bands, and your stairs to increase your mobility. So those 3 videos alone are just brilliant, and it's stuff that like I've only been using the last couple of years, but it's like it's just tied everything together for me. So like I've learned loads of stuff over the years and like loads of individual exercises and stuff, but it was the principles of those exercises that I was always missing. So I've put them into that, and it's absolutely awesome. So yeah, that is the website. There's tons of stuff, tons of videos. There's over 70 exercises to work through, and you will learn a ton of stuff from it. And like it's a real combination of all the stuff that I've got over the years and all the stuff that, you know, I've done over the years, and it's just all put in together in one place. So I can't see me doing another one like this for a long time, so it's pretty big. So yeah, definitely. The website is endrange.tommorrison.uk/purchase, and you can just go to tommorrison.uk and go to the shop section. You can get it from there as well. It's yeah, it's absolutely phenomenal. I'm very, very pleased with it, and yes, I'm seeing a lot of people who have already got Simplistic Mobility Method picking it up as well, so thank you very much, guys, and I think I'm done. Yes, so any questions, fire them down. Thanks for watching, if you did watch, and cool. I really got to figure out a better way to stop these videos.